Oh,
Let's go.
It's on comfort mode. Why this shit so slow?
Oh, you ain't got your seatbelt on. Take it in the back of you. Take it in the back of you if you don't want to put it on.
I ain't even know this. What is seatbelt thing?
Yeah, click it. Put it around your arm. Yeah. Click it quick. I need.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Wait.
Oh, that's bad. Okay. Yo, as soon as I put the seatbelt on, it went fast.
Hold on.
Red light.
As soon as I put the seatbelt on, it went fast. As soon as I put the seatbelt on. Hey, Chad, this thing fast, bro.
Tell him on what time, Steve.
Bro, I know how to drive, Rudy. I don't know about you, though. You said what? Rudy, you gotta understand. Me and Lewis Hamilton, back in middle school, used to drive all the time. This is just something that I do, man. I just do this thing, man.
Tell him on what one, Steve.
Wagwan.
What one? Where we land?